What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investing with Jax. Hope you're doing well. BTT gang, I know it's been a while, but we're going to do a little overview of the analysis for BitTorrent, currently sitting at 0.0024. We're down about 2% on the day. Our market cap is sitting at 1.59 billion and the 24-hour volume is 295 million. So let's hop into a quick sip of water. So we're going to start here on the daily chart. Now I have drawn this symmetrical wedge and you can see we've been holding this trend line of support. You can see all the support in this area, and then we came down and we held it as support once again. So if we do roll, guys, you could expect to find some support here at about 0.0021. Now if we fall out of this symmetrical wedge, you can see we're in a downtrend. We're underneath the EMAs here on the daily. If we come up and hit resistance on the 20 EMA and we fall out, I have dropped these levels of support here for you guys at 0.0015 and this level as well, 0.0010. You can see here this was a previous level of support, previous swing low, as well as right here previous swing low, previous level of support. That is if we fall out of our symmetrical triangle here, and if we're going to see continuation, we'd have to break out of this trend line of resistance, and that price target, depending on where the candles started to come up to, would be around 0.0042. All right, guys, so let's pop over into the 4-hour chart. So we had a pretty massive recovery here with Bitcoin. Of course, all these coins move very closely with Bitcoin. About 52% for BitTorrent is one of the largest gainers here on my watch list. And now we've had a bit of rollover here with Bitcoin. You can see we've fallen out of this rising wedge. It does look like Bitcoin's coming down to retest that support here at about 32,281. So keep an eye on that as well. And you can see here for BitTorrent, we came up, we hit the 0.786. We've come down and now we're starting a little bit to fall under the 0.618. So what you can do is take your fib out, pull it from your swing low up to your swing high to give you your levels of support. So right here, the 0.382 at about 0.0022. And then we have the 0.5 at about 0.0021. And then of course we have the golden ratio. I'll drop that in as well at 0.0020. And then if we lose the golden ratio, that's when you see that retracement back down to where your little pump started here at about 0.001. So we're here on the hourly time frame, and you can see that rising wedge with BitTorrent as well. And you can see we started to fall out here. So your technical target is down here at 0.0017. And you can see we've fallen back underneath the EMA. So here are your levels to bounce off of, the 0.382, the 0.5, and the golden ratio. And then once you bounce, you'd have to come back up and take out your high at 0.002. But we are in a bit of a downtrend here with Bitcoin. As you can see here, we're heading down towards 32K. So if we do lose that 32,281 for Bitcoin, it's a little bit of support in this area at about 31,195. However, if we do lose that 32K, I would expect a retracement down to test our bottom here at 28,744. So do anticipate that here. And then if you see that, of course, you'll see BitTorrent start to come down to these levels of support and possibly a full retracement down here to 0.0017. So keep an eye on these levels of support for a possible bounce. And then if we lose the golden ratio, you come back to where you started and your technical target here at 0.0017671. All right, guys, that's it for BTT. If you got any value, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.